Topic of this lesson: muscles. Topic: muscles. Muscles are living tissue and enable movement, supports body, and that perform essential functions. They make up a significant portion of body mass and are divided into the three types. How muscle work? Muscle contract or relax from movement. The brain signals calcium release, enabling actions and museum interaction. ATP powers contraction way the signal stops. Muscle relax. Next, types of muscles: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. First one is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle structure striated muscles attached to bones. Functions voluntary movement, walking, lifting objects, control under conscious control. Next one is smooth muscle. Smooth muscle structure non-structure muscles in organs. Functions involuntary movements. Control not under the conscious control. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is structured muscle found only in the heart. Functions: heart contractions to pump blood. Control involuntary control.